Hello, hello, my most amazing artists. Today we are going to add some texture to our project. More texture than just the lines that we drew. I'm going to get out my pair of scissors. Now, when you work with scissors, you have to make sure that you're being extra careful and safe. If you're walking with scissors, walking, never running, make sure you hold the metal part, okay? Today we're going to make lines of paper. We're going to do something called a fringe cut. And I'm going to start always making sure that my scissors are going forward. I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to cut along the edge a little bit. I'm going to make sure I don't cut on the lion's face. And I'm going to go slowly around. I'm going to go around the whole entire lion's head. Now, I'm not trying to make them too small. If you cut too small, it might be hard later on. But take your time and you're going to fringe cut around the whole lion. Okay, I finished taking my time going around the whole edge of the paper and making my fringe cut. I'm going to put my scissors away because I don't need them anymore. But now what I'm going to do is crinkle. I'm going to take the edges and crinkle them up so it looks kind of fuzzy and fluffy, just like the texture of a lion's mane. Remember, I didn't cut on my lion's face. When I'm done, I also want to take off, need those scissors back. I also want to take off the square edges here. So I'm going to go around and give that lion's hair a trim. See this pointy edge here? I'm going to go make it rounded. I'm going to do that on all four corners. Get rid of my scraps. And there we go. We have a lion with textured mane. Oh, I love it. Sometimes I like to even go in and give it a little extra texture. Do that zigzag or accordion fold. And if you're happy with it, you can be done here. Or you can get out another colored piece of paper and you can glue it to a background. Let's see what that looks like. I just happened to pick green colored paper because that's what I had and it kind of reminds me of the jungle a little bit. What I'm going to do is get out my glue. Go around the edges, not putting glue on the fringe. Or where the cuts are, not putting glue there. Go around the edge, make a big X. Oops. See, I have to be careful. Make sure I like where I have it, and then hold it down. You want to count to 20 when you hold this down to make sure it doesn't fly off. Remember, if you're using glue sticks, to always twist them down before putting the cap on. Alright, I hope you had fun adding fringe cut texture to your lion's mane, everybody. Have a good day.